Good morning, everybody. I'm Chapman. I'm one of the spine surgeons here at the Swedish Neuroscience Institute, and I'm speaking to you from the beautiful Seattle Science Foundation, the SSF facilities here in Seattle, Washington. I'm talking to you about what's going on at SSF in this coming week, the Cinco de Mayo week. On Thursday morning, we have our neurology grand rounds, and we have Dr. David Liebeskind from UCLA discussing collaterals in stroke, which is a really big emerging topic to try to find better solutions for our stroke patients. Do mark your calendars. May 25th, we have our third annual image-guided interventional spine course. This is actually a really big deal because our spine procedures have expanded. The interventional community with physiatrists, with anesthesiologists is going more and more into interventional things, and I think it's very interesting to kind of look into what they're doing. We have a true all-star team here, and this is to you, the high school juniors, seniors, or college students. Please do join us in our summer programs. They're really exciting. They're very interactive. This is our summer SSF research internship or mini med school. As always, do look at what we have at ssfcme.org. Many courses and many great things in our video library. And we do thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation. There have been great donations from many of you. I don't get paid for this, and we actually just love what we're doing here. And this is, I think, the overall atmosphere of this place. So thanks for your support and interest in what we do at SSF, and have a great week.